Welcome back to Wise Explainer, where we give you the lowdown on the best tools to optimize your online business. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our expert reviews. And just a quick note before we dive in, all the links to the platforms mentioned today are in the description below. Now let's get into our honest review of Oberlo for dropshipping. Oberlo has been one of the most popular tools for dropshippers, especially for those using Shopify. It's designed to make the process of finding products, adding them to your store, and fulfilling orders as seamless as possible. So let's start with the pros. One of Oberlo's biggest strengths is its ease of use. The platform integrates directly with Shopify, making it incredibly simple to import products from suppliers like AliExpress. With just a few clicks, you can add products to your store, set your pricing, and start selling. Another major plus is the product customization options. Oberlo lets you edit product titles, descriptions, and images directly within the app, so you can tailor the products to fit your brand. Plus, Oberlo offers a free starter plan, which is great if you're just getting started and want to test the waters without a big financial commitment. However, Oberlo isn't without its cons. One downside is that it's limited to Shopify users. If you're using a different e-commerce platform, you won't be able to take advantage of Oberlo's features. Additionally, while Oberlo makes it easy to find products on AliExpress, it doesn't support other suppliers, so your product range might be somewhat restricted. Another potential issue is shipping times. Since most products are sourced from China, shipping to customers in North America or Europe can take several weeks, which could lead to customer dissatisfaction. Also, while Oberlo offers basic automation features, it lacks some of the more advanced tools that competitors provide, like automatic price updates or inventory management across multiple suppliers. So who should use Oberlo? If you're a Shopify user looking to start a dropshipping business with minimal upfront investment, Oberlo is a fantastic tool to get you up and running quickly. It's particularly suited for beginners who want a straightforward way to source and sell products without worrying about complex logistics. However, if you're looking for a more versatile platform that supports multiple e-commerce sites and suppliers, or if you need more advanced automation features, you might find Oberlo a bit limiting. In summary, Oberlo is a powerful tool for beginners in the Shopify dropshipping space, offering simplicity and ease of use. But it's important to be aware of its limitations, especially if you're planning to scale your business. If you're interested in giving Oberlo a try, or if you want to explore alternatives, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Wise Explainer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.